Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a bold and underrated opening for black. The Scandinavian Defense, also known as the center counter. If you're looking for an opening that takes the fight to white right away and gets you out of the book early, this is for you. We'll cover all the major lines, key ideas, traps, and variations. So whether you're a beginner or an intermediate player, stick around. Alright, the Scandinavian starts with the moves. E4, D5. Black immediately challenges the center. Now, white usually grabs the pawn, and this is where the fun begins. The classical and most popular response is queen captures on D5. Yes, you're bringing your queen out early, but it's not as dangerous as people think. After that, white almost always plays knight C3, attacking the queen. And here, black has two solid retreats. Queen A5, keeping pressure on the C3 knight and the E5 square, or Queen D6, a more modern and solid approach, keeping the queen centralized and avoiding light square weaknesses. Now, let's look at a more dynamic variation. Knight F6, known as the Modern Scandinavian or the Martial variation. Instead of immediately recapturing the pawn, black develops a knight. Playing for the piece activity, this leads to a flexible and hyper-modern setup. Feeling adventurous? Try the Icelandic-Palme gambit. After knight f6, then d4, you play c6. Black gives up a pawn for rapid development. It's sharp and perfect for catching opponents off guard. Sometimes white doesn't take the bait and plays e5, grabbing space. The typical setup is bishop f5, d4, e6, knight f3, c5. It starts to resemble a French defense, but without some of the French's issues. Some players try to sidestep the Scandinavian entirely with knight c3, avoiding the pawn capture. You can respond with d4, gaining space, or knight f6, transposing to other e4 openings like the Pirc or Alekhine. You prefer solid positions or wild tactics? There's a Scandinavian line for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below which opening I should do next. See you next time!